Welcome to Moon On. My name is Maram Nasr, an international BIM architect, the Global Partnership Manager of Moon On. Today I will show you how Moon Platform has transformed my life. As a BIM user, finding a comprehensive digital architecture library like Moon Platform was a game changer. In an era of rapid technological advancement, staying up to date is crucial for architects. Moon Platform categorizes detailed products information into 11 distinct sections, from 3D models to maintenance instructions, simplifying my work significantly. The integration of AR technology allows me to visualize and modify my project in real time, enhancing precision and creativity. With VR capabilities, I can immerse myself in my designs, ensuring every detail is perfect before moving forward. I invite manufacturers to join the Moon Platform. Together we can innovate and push the architectural boundaries.